A very good morning, all my dear students. Hope that you all are fit and fine at home. Okay, so let's start today's computer class. Today we will continue chapter 3, log on to access. Okay, this is the fourth part of the chapter, and today we will complete this chapter. Okay, so some very small topics of the chapter are left, on which we will discuss today. I will explain you about all those topics practically. I will show you how to do filtering in database. Okay, these all are the topics that we are going to discuss today. First, I will show you that how you can edit tables in a database. Okay, and then how to insert and delete fields in datasheet view. Datasheet view is the view in which we can see all the contents of the table. So if you want to make changes in your table at that time, so we can do how to move a field. If you want to move forward or backward any field, then how you can shuffle the fields, how to hide and unhide the fields, how to sort data in a table, how to filter datasheet, and how to search in database, and at last I will tell you how to save and open existing database. Although this topic I have already cleared you, because saving is the very important thing, which in the beginning of the chapter I have explained you how to save database in Access and how you can open existing database. Okay, but today again I will repeat this topic. Okay, so let's get started with Access now. Okay, so first of all you have to open MS Access. Like I have already created a database, so first you have to open Access. So for that I am just searching Access. Here it is. Okay, now the last topic was how to open existing database. So here I am showing you, as you click on MS Access, so you can see here open recently database. From this window you can open your database. Like I have created database my school data, so I'm going to open this database. Click here and you can see the database my school data is opened here. Okay, there is one table in this database. This is the tables pane where you can see all the tables in your database if you have created. Okay, you can see all the tables which you have created in this database. Okay, and just by double clicking on the table you can open it in datasheet view. This view that you all can see right now, this view is called the datasheet view. Okay, it is mentioned here also, a datasheet view. Okay, so the table name here is, the name of the table is student info table. This is the name of the table, and serial number, roll number, name, address, date of birth, class, these all are fields. Okay, these all are called fields. I have explained previously. Okay, and these 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 are our records. So there are 4 records in this table. Okay, records you can enter in a very simple manner. Just click on the cell and enter any value. Like first I am going to update this. Okay, like I am inserting a new record with the roll number 40 and 3, and I'm writing name Vishwas. Acha, it's not coming. Okay, and address you can write any address. I had written Jhansi, and then enter date of birth. In previous live class I have explained you about data types. So here I have taken the date of birth field, in which I have taken date and time data type. So this calendar is coming. So from here you can choose the date, or you can type manually. आप manually भी type कर सकते हो. If you want to type, so you can type manually. Like I want to write date 8th 12 1998. Okay, okay, so here you need to mention class, so I'm mentioning class 4th here. Okay, so this is how you can edit records in the table. Now if you want to make changes in field, if you want to edit field, what are fields here? Fields are student, serial number, roll number, name, address, date of birth and class. These all are field names. ओके, नाउ इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड मोर फील्ड, अगर आपको इसमें और फील्ड्स ऐड करनी है, सपोज यू नीड दैट you want one more field with the name tuition fees. Okay, you want to add one new field with tuition field name. So do one thing, at this field box just do double click, जहाँ पर add new field given है, double click there, your cursor will start blinking. Here you can write the name of the field. Okay, here you can directly write the name of the field. Okay, so the field I want to add is tuition fee. ओके, ट्यूशन फीस रीनेम करना पड़ेगा. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, and if you want to change its data type, okay, if you want to change the data type, then you need to open this file in design view. Okay, by choosing design view you can choose its data type. If you want to set number, okay, you can change, and for saving it press Ctrl plus S key. Okay, and then close it. Now again do double click on the table, you can see one more field has been inserted here. Okay, and here you can write the tuition fees. You can write anything which you want. Okay, in class 4th it should be equal. It will make no effect on your table, but whatever you are saving it should be relevant. Okay, this is how you can edit field. If you want to move the field, or if you want to hide and unhide any field, suppose you want to hide date of birth, okay, so you can hide. Okay, that column is hidden now. Okay, so in this way you can hide the table, no, not the table, you can hide a field. Okay, okay, now if you want to unhide columns, okay, so you can see it will show you the list of columns in which date of birth is unchecked. So just check this column and you can see it's visible now. So in this way you can hide and unhide any field, any column. Okay, now you can also apply sorting on the table. If you want to sort it in ascending or descending order, so you can sort the data, you can sort numerical values, and if you want to sort alphabet, so you can sort from A to Z. You can see sequence has been changed, but you can apply sorting on one column only. Multiple column sorting is not valid, because if you will sort these from A to Z, then it's not possible to sort these roll numbers in a ascending or descending order. Okay, roll numbers will be sorted according to the names. Okay, now you can also apply filters on a table. What are filters? Actually, if you want to filter data, you don't want to see the all contents of table. Okay, you want to see specific records. Okay, so for that you can use filters. It's very easy. Just select the column जिसके basis पर आपको filter करना है data को. Like suppose you want to see the records of class 8th only. Okay, then click on the class field, click on this arrow. Okay, and now you can see number effect. Okay, so choose equal and where class is equal to 8th. Now click on OK. So now you can see there are 2 records from class 8th. Okay, in this way you can filter data, and you can see this filter icon at the column on which you have applied the filter. Okay, I am doing undo, so it's simple. Now you can this is the example of advanced filtering. Okay, but if you want to apply filter to see record of particular student, okay, then you can see all the students are checked here.